Mr. President, the delegation of Indonesia is compelled to exercise our right of reply to respond to the statement made by Vanuatu and Solomon Island, a quote by Tuvalu and Saint Vincent and the Grenadines concerning Papua and West Papua. Mr. President, it is one time too many that hoax and false allegations are circulated by individuals that are economically motivated by separatist agenda of Papua and their supporters. Time and time again, the same fabricated and false accusations are thrown at us. These countries are sadly blindfolded. They fail to understand, or more precisely, refuse to understand. These provinces of Papua and West Papua have undergone safe development and progress during the past 3 years. 4,325 kilometers roadway built, 30 new seaports, 2.8 million Papuans have free basic health care, 360,000 Papuan students have free education with the economy growing at 9.21%. All make Papua and West Papua province the fastest growing region in Indonesia. Mr. President, Papua and West Papua province are an integral and sovereign part of Indonesia. They will always remain an integral part of Indonesia. These countries were foolishly deceived by individuals, I repeat, by individuals, with the separatist agenda to exploit the issue of human rights. If human rights are at cycle the Universal Periodic Review of Indonesia at the United States Nations Human Rights Council, if Indonesia has anything to hide on human rights issue in this day and age of open technology, by now everybody will know if such equation even exists. Mr. President, Indonesia fails to understand how countries continue to support activities of separation in other countries, or is this a way to hide from one's own domestic problem? Are these countries' human rights track record perfect? Obviously, their motivation and his august body is to dismember the territorial integrity of sovereign and independent nations. Such actions are illegal, must not be condoned, and violation the fundamental principle enshrined in the United Nations Charter. We cannot let this happen. We cannot let this continue on. Indonesia categorically rejects all accusations made by this country and the individual with separatist agenda operating behind them. Mr. President, I would like to conclude by quoting old proverb in Indonesia that says, "Menepuk air di dulang, terpecik muka sendiri." Or loosely translate you, if you slap the water in the bucket, then be careful that the water will spread all over your own face. I thank you, Mr. President.